Hey guys, this is Desiree with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I want to kind of discuss the eco-friendly aspects of our technology. So with wet blasting, you're using water as a mitigator. Because of this, you're going to be going through less consumables, such as media, as well as your window and your gloves. These are going to last 3 times longer, if not more, compared to traditional methods, such as going through chemicals with hand washing or even using a dry blasting cabinet. Another benefit of wet blasting that will really help your environment is that there's no dust. So wet blasting really minimalizes airborne particles because it's trapped with the water. And with wet blasting, if you have a closed loop system with your machine, you are going to be constantly recirculating that fresh water. So it does help with water conservation and you're not going to be using as much. Wet blasting is not only a more affordable but safer route to surface finishing and prepping compared to other methods like using acid wash and pickling paste. There's no chemicals involved with wet blasting, it's just water and a simple media slurry. And you're also welcome to upgrade your closed loop system to the Micron filter paper, which is great for catching contaminants, and it makes it easier to dispose of those contaminants as well. For more information, feel free to visit our website or give us a call directly at 828-202-5563.